Hello, I'm here to talk to you about reconstitution and walk you through a couple of problems. Let's start with example 1, which tells you if 10 grams of vancomycin is added to 93 ml of sterile water for a final volume of 100 ml, how many ml contains 250 milligrams of vancomycin? So it's important to know that how many grams of vancomycin you have, the final volume, and you want to understand the question which asks you how many milliliters will contain 250 milligrams. So let's look at step 1. You want to convert the amount in grams to milligrams. And the conversion is 10 grams times 1,000 milligrams over 1 gram. That would equal 10,000 milligrams. You want to do proportions to find the volume needed for 250 milligrams. So if there are 10,000 milligrams in 100 ml, you want to see how many ml would contain 250 milligrams. And by doing cross multiplication, you would get 2.5 ml. Simple enough. Let's look at example 2. A doctor writes a prescription for Augmentin 500 milligrams by mouth, BID times 7 days. The pharmacy stock contains 400 milligrams per 5 ml, and there are 200 ml bottles. You know that the prescription is filled with 100 ml and the patient goes home. The patient calls back a week later wondering why they have medication left over. How much medication is left over after 7 days of therapy? So let's look at step 1. Find the total amount in milligrams needed for their prescription. So they have 500 milligrams times 2 doses, which was BID, and times 7 days is the duration of therapy. You'd get 7,000 milligrams total. Then you want to do proportions to find the amount required in milliliters to fill the order. So 400 milligrams is in 5 ml. You want to find out how many ml would have 7,000 milligrams, and that would be 87.5 milliliters. You want to subtract the amount dispensed by the amount that was needed to fill the order. So the amount dispensed was 100 ml, and you needed to fill the order with 87.5 milliliters, and you have 12.5 milliliters left over. And that would be the answer. Thank you.